Are you afraid to speak English? Do you feel shy when other people are listening?
Do you worry that you will make mistakes and people will laugh at you?
Friends, you are not alone. Millions of learners feel the same way every single day.
But here's the good news. You can change this fear into confidence, step by step.
And today, we will show you how. Simple tips, easy practice, and encouragement just for you.
Before we begin, we want to ask you something.
When do you feel the most afraid to speak English? At school? At work? With friends?
Think about it, and if you like, share your answer in the comments below. We love to hear your stories.
Because remember, this podcast is not only about us. It's about you, our amazing learners around the world.
So get ready, take a deep breath, and relax.
Welcome to Simple English Storytime Podcast. I'm Alice.
And I'm James.
Today's episode is special. How to speak English without fear.
Stay with us, and by the end of this episode, you will feel stronger and more confident to speak. So Alice, let's start with a question. Why do you think people are afraid to speak English?
Good question. I think many people are afraid of making mistakes. They feel shy or worry that others will laugh at them.
Yes. I hear that a lot too. Sometimes learners say, "My English is not good enough," and then they don't even try to speak.
Exactly, but here's the truth. Nobody speaks perfectly when they first start learning.
That's right. Think about a baby learning to talk. Do they speak perfectly? No, they make sounds, they try, they make mistakes.
Yes, and people don't laugh at the baby. Instead, they smile and say, "Good job."
True. And in the same way, when you speak English, most people are happy that you are trying.
Yes, very few people care about small mistakes. In fact, most people will respect you because you are learning another language.
Exactly. And remember, mistakes are not a problem, they are progress.
I like that. Mistakes equal progress.
Yes. Each mistake is like one step forward.
So friends, don't see mistakes as something bad. See them as your teachers.
Because if you never make mistakes, you never learn.
And if you never learn, you never grow.
So, don't be silent because of fear. Be brave and keep speaking.
All right, friends, now it's time for some simple tips to help you speak English without fear.
Yes. These tips are easy, and you can start using them today. Tip 1. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes can make a big difference.
That's true. You don't need one full hour. Just a few minutes daily is enough.
For example, when I cook dinner, I sometimes talk to myself. I say, I wash the rice. I cut the onion. I make tea.
Haha, yes. I do the same thing when I clean my room. I fold the clothes. I open the window. I clean the table.
See? That's practice, and it feels natural.
So friends, talk to yourself in English. Don't worry if it sounds funny. It really works. Tip 2. Find a friendly person to practice with.
Yes. Speaking with another person gives you confidence.
And your partner doesn't need perfect English. You can learn together.
Exactly. When I was learning Spanish, I practiced with a friend. His Spanish was not perfect, but we laughed, and we improved together.
Yes, and laughing while learning makes it more fun and less scary.
Tip 3. Don't worry about mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are not bad. They are part of learning.
When I spoke Spanish, I once said something funny. Instead of "I am hungry," I said "I am bread." People laughed, but they understood me.
Haha, that's a great example. And did you stop speaking Spanish after that?
No way. I kept speaking, and I got better.
See, friends? Nobody is perfect, so don't be afraid of mistakes. Tip 4. Use simple words and short sentences.
Yes, don't try to sound complicated. Keep it clear and easy.
For example, instead of saying, "I would like to purchase a beverage," just say, "I want a drink."
Much simpler, and everybody understands.
Remember, communication is more important than big words.
Tip 5. Prepare before you speak.
Yes, if you know the topic, practice some sentences first.
For example, before going to a restaurant, you can practice, "Can I have pizza? Can I have water?"
Exactly. Preparation makes you feel ready. And when you feel ready, your fear becomes smaller.
That's right, and step by step, your confidence grows.
So James, we gave some good tips already. But how can learners build real confidence when speaking English?
Great question. Confidence doesn't come in one day. It grows slowly, step by step.
Yes, and the first step is celebrate small wins.
Exactly. If you say one good sentence, tell yourself, "Well done."
Yes, don't wait for someone else to praise you. Praise yourself.
Because when you feel proud of small steps, you become brave for big steps.
That's true. And another point. Don't compare yourself with others.
Yes, very important. Everyone learns at their own speed.
Some people learn fast, some people learn slow, but slow is also okay.
Exactly. Slow learning is still learning.
So friends, please remember, don't say, "My English is bad." Say, "My English is improving."
I love that. Positive thinking changes everything.
Yes. And here's another way to build confidence. Practice in a safe place.
For example, record your voice on your phone and listen to it.
At first, you may think, "Oh, my voice sounds strange," but later, you will feel comfortable.
Or stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself.
Yes, pretend you are talking to a friend. It's simple, but very powerful.
The more you practice in safe places, the easier it becomes to speak outside.
That's right. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes.
And soon, speaking English will feel natural, not scary.
Okay, friends, now it's your turn. Let's practice together.
I will say a sentence, then Alice will repeat it, and then you repeat with us.
Take a deep breath, smile, and let's begin.
Ready? I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Now you. Say it with us. I am learning English.
Good job. You're doing great.
I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
Now it's your turn, say it with us. I speak English every day.
Wonderful. Keep going.
Mistakes help me learn.
Mistakes help me learn.
Now you, say it with us. Mistakes help me learn.
Yes. Every mistake makes you stronger.
I am confident when I speak English.
I am confident when I speak English.
Say it with us now. I am confident when I speak English.
Excellent. You sound more confident already.
Speaking English is fun.
Speaking English is fun.
Now you, say it with us. Speaking English is fun.
Amazing. Keep smiling while you speak. Well done, friends. You practiced with us, and that's a big step forward.
Yes. Remember, every time you practice, your fear becomes smaller, and your confidence becomes bigger. So friends, today we talked about speaking English without fear.
Yes, remember the tips. Practice every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes, and believe in yourself.
Each time you speak, your fear becomes smaller, and your confidence grows stronger.
We are so proud of you for listening, and for practicing with us today.
And now, we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments. When do you feel most afraid to speak English? In class? At work? With friends?
Share your answer, because your story can inspire other learners too.
And friends, don't forget, if you enjoyed this episode, please like it and subscribe to our podcast.
Yes. When you subscribe, you join our learning family, and you will never miss our new lessons.
So, subscribe now, leave a comment, and keep practicing with us.
Thank you for joining us today on Simple English Storytime Podcast.
We believe in you. You can speak English with confidence and without fear.
See you next time. Goodbye.
See you next time. Goodbye.